Data gravity is the biggest challenge facing all companies and all companies on a go-forward basis. It's applying the laws of physics, it's applying the laws of IT, and it's intersecting in with digital transformation. It does not discriminate against any industry. Specific to financial services, if you break that down into the subsegments, let's take securities first. Securities trading is very regulated. They need to look at things like time of day. They need to maintain on the customer, both the buyer and the seller. All that kind of data amplifies. You shift to something like wealth management, and where they're trying to bring the advisor to the customer, to the investor, right? And as they bring the advisor to the investor, think about that. That's going over virtual digital channels, and those users or investors can be anywhere. So all of a sudden now, that means you have to have copies of data and the applications and systems in different places that enable that virtual exchange. You move over to retail banking and you think of the branch, you think of the ATM, and you think of mobile banking. In a lot of that cases, there's a great example where data is being created in many different places and it needs to be brought together. Well, as soon as you bring it together, you're not going to be able to move that in other places. So for financial services, which is such a data-driven, data-compliant industry, it is going to be at the forefront of how that industry succeeds and survives. Platform Digital is pretty unique in the ability to handle that mixed configuration and density and size and load, physical load of that infrastructure.